Hey friends, if you encounter event ID 454 error, user profile performance issues in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, while it speaks of performance issues, these issues are not humongous. I mean, they are not huge. So in this case, here's what you can do. Try disk cleanup. And I don't assure that it will fix the problem, but I'll try my best. So try a disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and click on disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and then click on delete files. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution will be to restore the system to an earlier point when it was working well. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Click on open system restore, select next and then select a good restore point. Select next, click on finish and then on yes. And lastly, you can try a cloud reset. Okay. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu and then you can go to system on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery and then click on reset PC. Select remove everything and then finally select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.